Trixie. Hello, baby girl. You are one precious cat, and I really want to hug you. Hello. Hello, Trixie. I love you. I love you, Trixie. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Trixie.